Ayan. Did you enjoy our AVP? Ang ganda-ganda ng tagig, di ba? To all of our friends and guests present tonight, there's more to Tagig than you can imagine. So, sa mga wala pang bahay dito sa Tagig, itayo nyo na dito ang inyong bahay or inyong business. Di ba? Di ba, no? Hi! Ayan. Through the able leadership of our beloved Mayor. Akala ko siya yun kanina. Andun pala si Mayor. Si Mayor Ate Lani Cayetano. Ayan. Ang ating pinakabatang Mayor. Taguig hopefully will be the new Makati of our country. Moving on, tonight's competition will be judged on beauty of face, figure, poise, and projection. And our top 5 winners, however, will be determined through wit and personality by our judges' overall impression. It's time to introduce our very distinguished panel of judges in whose hands lie the critical job of selecting our tonight's set of winners. And their impeccable eye for beauty, poise, and personality, and their profound background in the fields of fashion, beauty, and wellness, sports, and entertainment make them truly deserving of their seats tonight. Okay, wag na nating patagalin pa. Our first judge is very, very famous. His works are featured in prestigious magazines here and abroad, and his creations are worn by famous local artists such as Tessa Prieto, Chris Aquino, Gretchen Barreto, Rufa Gutierrez, Charlene Gonzalez, Casey Concepcion, and many others. And his creations could be seen in his shop in Greenbelt 5, Makati. Let's all clap for our first judge, Mr. Arnel Papa. Our next judge is a beauty queen, is a reigning beauty queen from Mutya ng Pilipinas. And her title is Mutya ng Pilipinas Intercontinental. She won Best in Long Gown in the said competition and is from the Ateneo de Manila Badminton Club. She is team captain of this organization and she is also a national player. Let's all welcome Carla Lizardo. Good Carla. Ito, susunod. Isa siyang star magic artist. Maraming kinikilig? Marami na? Hindi masyado obvious. Isa siyang Pinoy Big Brother housemate nung season 1. Kilala niyo ba siya? Let's all welcome Rico Barrera! Ay, ang sarap naman maging lalaki dito. Okay. Next is TV host, columnist for the Philippine Star and Society and editor of Preview Magazine. We're so honored he's here tonight, Mr. Raymond Gutierrez! Talaga naman, bigatin ang mga judges natin. Ito pinakabigatin. Kaibigan ko, ang Binibining Pilipinas World 2010, si Zarina Gatbonton. Okay, our next judge is the Assistant Vice President and Head of Corporate Affairs of ABS-CBN Global. He's none other than Mr. Jeffrey Remigio. Good evening, sir. Ito, sinusundan siya lagi ng chismis, pero nandito siya kasama natin ngayong gabi. Celebrity stylist, product endorser, fashion editor of Preview Magazine, Miss Liz Uy! And next, nakita niyo siya kanina, isang actress, singer, at entrepreneur. Owner siya ng Daisy Reyes Collection and maker of Daisy Reyes Papaya Soap. And she's now a counselor of Pateros. Kilalang-kilala niyo siya, Miss Daisy Reyes. And next is a fashion designer specializing in embroidery and embellishment. Isa siyang Towns Awardee and was awarded as the most outstanding woman in the nation's service. Today, she wants to be known as an environmentalist. She's none other than Miss Patis Tesoro. And that wraps up our roster of judges for tonight. Mamaya abangan nyo pa ang mga surprises ng Mutya ng Taguig. So wag po kayong aalis. Back to you, Bianca.
Thank you very much, Patricia, and I agree. We have a fabulous set of judges. Ilan sa kanila malapit sa aking puso. Mahal na mahal ko. Bongga. Ang lakas ng palakpak para sa'yo, Raymond Gutierrez. Kapamilya ako pero mukhang madami ring kapuso dito. I love it. Okay. The Mutya ng Taguig International 2011 pageant surely is one of the most, if not the most exciting and memorable experience in our candidates' lives. From the pressure-filled screening process to the valuable trainings, of course, nandiyan ang heartwarming charity projects nila, ang exciting TV guestings, and tiring rehearsals. Ang Mutya ng Taguig 2011 pageant is a once-in-a-lifetime experience our candidates will surely cherish and treasure forever. Watch this.